All right. We're talking about we're talking about how to make Cornell notes when you're reading or listening to a lecture or something. Okay? And you need to do that to remember things. Okay. First of all, you need to fold the paper. I'm starting out with a piece of paper, and it can be any paper, but I'm using plain. What you want to do first is fold it so that it's roughly, the edge of the paper is roughly in half of the paper space. And now when you unfold it, you've got 1/3 here and 2/3 here. Okay, step 2. You need to make some spaces for your headings in your notes. You may notice that I've drawn 2 lines across at the top, and I've given my Cornell notes a title. That top line is where you write the topic of your notes. Step 3, add some labels and spaces for your notes. Next, you see that I've drawn a line down the middle, and I started my line right up here. I filled in this space with main ideas, and on this side, I've written notes or details. So as I read, I'm going to look at headings, and those are going to be here. And then this would be where I put definitions. Step 4 is where you start listing your main ideas. As I look in the book that I'm going to take notes on, I see the first thing is about developing the essay. So that's going to go here under main ideas. I'm going to go to the far left as I can. But I also notice that it has a few subheadings there. Step 5, well, what about those subheadings? So notice what I did with that subheading. I indented just like I would in an outline, and I put a little bullet, if you would. Now on this side, I'm going to say what choosing an appropriate topic looks like. Okay, step 6. Now you're going to start recording those details. After looking through the text, some parts of it stood out to me. You should choose an appropriate topic that's not too large, that it should be focused and specific, and you should take a stand, maybe for or against a specific aspect of your issue. All right, step 7. Now we need to organize our notes. I've added some of the other subheadings underneath developing your essay, and see how they're all introduced. They've all got that dash to separate them. I also like using bullet points. I've got bullet points that separate some of my details. Now, I also need to separate these details from the details on exploring the opinions. And that's easy to do just by drawing a line. No big deal. Okay. And you could still tell that they all go with this because I've got a bullet for this, and I've got dashes separating the subheadings. So when I add the details for exploring my opinions, I'll just divide that by a line as well. Okay, well, what do you do now you've got all those notes? Now you study, but how do you do that? Okay, I've got some notes. Now what do I do with them? Well, that's the purpose of doing these Cornell notes. You take this side with the details and fold it so that all you see are the main ideas. This is the way that you quiz yourself, okay? So what do I know about developing my essay? What do I need to know about choosing the appropriate topic? Well, I need this, this, and this. Am I right? Yes, I am. Okay. But at the same token, you can also fold this over and ask yourself, what is this called? All right, just some final notes. How do you know what you're supposed to put where on your Cornell notes? Where do you find the details in your text? How do you know which are the headings? Okay, so your details, this is what they do. They describe or they provide definitions, and usually they are the plain text. And what you need to do here is summarize and paraphrase because that helps you remember them, but also you don't want to be copying the whole blank thing. Okay, your subheadings, how do you recognize those? Well, first, the subheadings, what they do is they provide important terms, vocabulary, or labels. They often appear in bold print, and typically they're not going to be as big as the main category labels, which are your headings. Those are the main sections of a text, and you'll recognize those. They're bigger, bolder print, and they're brief. And that's the end of that, guys.